Hello, Seagulls. It's Thursday, April 8th. It's a beautiful day on Delmarva. Thank you for joining us. SU's weekly COVID-19 positivity rate remains below 1% as we continue to conduct roughly 1,000 tests on most days. On Monday, Governor Hogan announced that all Maryland residents age 16 and older are now eligible for the COVID-19 vaccine. This includes all Maryland University students, even those from out of state. The next day, the Wicomico County Health Department held a COVID-19 vaccination clinic for more than 400 members of our campus community. For those who were unable to sign up, the Health Department will return for 2 more clinics next Monday and Tuesday in Mag's Gym. You will need to register in advance using the links on the SU COVID-19 Vaccination Information webpage. Please note that to attend these clinics, you will need to be current in your required SU COVID-19 testing, which will clear you to be on campus. These clinics are open only to SU students and employees, but everyone 16 and older is eligible. For others, as well as campus community members who are unable to attend one of those 2 clinics, the Wicomico County Health Department still have plenty of availability daily at their clinics scheduled at the Wicomico Youth Civic Center and the former Tuesday morning store at the center at Salisbury. To register to receive the vaccine at one of these off-campus locations, all you need to do is fill out the Maryland Department of Health registration form or follow the instructions on the Wicomico County Health Department website. Links for both of these are shown on your screen. Walk-in appointments are also available at the Civic Center based on availability. You might have to wait a bit depending on how many people are showing up without an appointment, but vaccines are available. Now, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention have clearly stated that vaccines will provide the best path back to a pre-COVID-19 normal. And I encourage everyone to schedule their vaccination appointments as soon as possible. One question we received many times in recent weeks is whether students and/or employees will be required to get a COVID-19 vaccination. I don't know the answer to this question yet, but I can tell you that it is the subject of active discussion among the presidents, the Chancellor of the University System of Maryland, and medical professionals from each of the Maryland institutions. I will let you know as soon as a decision has been made. Please remember that in most cases, side effects from the vaccine are minimal, ranging from minor discomfort at the injection site to flu-like symptoms that normally go away after just a few hours. In nearly every instance, all side effects are gone within 24 hours of receiving the shot. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, CDC, and other agencies continue to assure us that the vaccine is safe and effective for all individuals age 16 and older. Now, another question we've received many times is whether students and employees receiving the vaccine will still need to receive regular SU COVID-19 tests to maintain access to campus buildings, classrooms, and offices. The answer is yes. Because SU does not mandate the vaccine currently or keep records on who has or has not received it, and because it is still unclear whether those who have had the vaccine can still spread COVID-19 as asymptomatic carriers, regular COVID-19 testing will be required at least through the remainder of this semester. If you've not already signed up for regular testing, or if you're not current in your testing, please do so today using the information on your screen. And as always, if you need to request accommodations at the testing site, please email campushealth@salisbury.edu. Okay, at this time, I will turn the briefing over to our guest, Beth Skoglund, who's the Director of Admissions here at SU. She will talk about some of the on-campus and virtual opportunities that are available for students who are considering attending SU. Beth, welcome to the briefing.
Thank you, Dr. Wight, for the opportunity to be here and let everyone know what is happening in the admissions office. We have been open for in-person guests since last July and continue to have information sessions and tours every day, Monday through Friday. We offer a 9:30 a.m. information session with a tour following and a 1:30 p.m. information session with a tour following. All of our guests are screened and must wear a mask the entire time. The information sessions are socially distanced and the tours are small. We encourage prospective families to go to our website and sign up. In addition, we will be having both in-person and virtual admitted student days. We are taking every precaution to keep you all safe, so the in-person events will be limited in size to keep our tour groups to a maximum of 15 people. These events are for admitted students only, and the sign-ups are in your admission status portal. The admissions office also offers Transfer Tuesdays, a virtual meeting with a transfer counselor to discuss any questions about transferring to SU. We also have an SU Calls You on Thursdays, where families can schedule a phone call with an admissions counselor to ask any questions. You can sign up for either of those options by going to our website and clicking Become a Student and then Visit Campus. We also have a virtual tour available on that site as well if you don't have a chance to make it to campus. We are always here for you, and our office is open for phone calls or chats from 8 to 4:30. We will also be open for tours this entire summer. We continue to accept applications for the fall of 2021 for both interested freshmen and students considering transferring to SU. You can find our application on our website by clicking Become a Student and then Apply Freshman or Apply Transfer. For those of you that may not know, SU has over 8,600 students, and you can pick from 46 majors and over 75 minors. For the fall of 2021, we have also updated our transfer policy. All students transferring to SU with an AA degree, AAT, or an AS degree from a Maryland community college will fully satisfy SU's general education requirements. So if you know anyone who's interested in SU, younger siblings, friends, other parents, please have them reach out to us. We encourage you to visit and take a tour. And thank you.
Thank you, Beth. We appreciate all that you and your staff continue to do for our future SU students.
Thanks.
At this time, I will take any questions that you may have. As always, please send them via email to stayinformed@salisbury.edu. Eli Maudlin, what are people asking about today?
Thanks, Dr. Wight. The first question is about the vaccine. If someone received their first dose off campus, could they come to campus for one of our clinics to get their second shot?
Well, the best thing to do is to return to the place where you got your first shot for the second dose. The vaccine centers are always making appointments for those second doses, and it's really better to go back to that place to get your second dose. If you have a problem, give us a call. We'll try to work something out, but it's really better to go back to the original place to get your second dose.
Dr. Wight, this is another question about the vaccine. Will it be a requirement, this person is asking about the vaccine mandate, will it be a requirement for students or employees to get the vaccine this semester or for the fall semester?
There is no requirement for this semester, but as I mentioned in my briefing, there is a discussion at the system level about the possibility of requiring the vaccine for the fall semester. I don't know the answer to this yet, but as soon as a decision is made, I will let you know.
And Dr. Wight, another question about the vaccine. Are there any students that are not eligible to receive the vaccine on campus?
If you are 16 or over and you're an SU student or an employee, you are eligible for the vaccine. Everyone.
Thank you, Dr. Wight. It looks like those are all the questions for today.
That wraps up this week's briefing. Stay safe, everybody, and we'll see you then.